Here we are.
Crikey.
Man, y'all wouldn't believe how clear the water is here. This happens like once a year with this clarity. Alright, eat some chicken grease.
Oh, look, what is that?
Look at the size of that ladyfish.
That's awesome.
Dude! Will you give me my pliers?
No.
Right there. Woo! Look at that. Big old ladyfish. I think we just got us some new cut bait. I'm gonna cut this sucker up, throw it on another rig, and put it back out. But this is our best catch of the day so far. We just caught us this little guy. Woo, he's feisty. Ah, look at that. All right. Well, let's throw him back. We got him on a live croaker. We may toss another croaker out, see what happens. We haven't had much luck on it, but this is what we got so far. Plan? No, another big hardhead. I hate these damn things. You ready? Here we go. All right, go ahead. Here. Reel. Did we get one?
Yes.
Oh, is he tough?
Yes.
All right, can you pick him up? Woo, there you go, pick him up. Swing him over to me. All right.
Can I release it?
It's our first catch of the day, yeah. We got something over here. Oh. You got some decent size to it, whatever it is. It's fighting like a big hardhead though. Yep. Look at the size of that hardhead. Holy cow. Oh, shit. That's scary. Look at this guy. I think Mama got into a little ladyfish over here. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, I wish we would have had that fight on camera. All right, here, let's see. Well, let's get you a pic. Look what Avi just caught.
I want to touch
Look
it.
what Avi just caught.
I want to touch it.
What is that?
No.
It's got a speckle on it.
That's a redfish.
Oh.
You just caught a redfish. Your first redfish.
Can I touch it?
That's pretty awesome.
Avi, go get that rod on here. We're standing right next to it. All right, we were out here free lining some live shrimp, and we got some pinfish on the other rods, and look what Avienda caught here. You don't have to dance, silly. Put your hand under his tail and hold him out like this to the side. Yeah, well, like, you know, grab his tail.
Ew, I'm not touching it. Ew.
Pick him up. Put your hand under his belly and pick him up.
No.
There you go. I want to hold him up sideways. I want to see. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. And look at the color on that tail. Wow, good job, Bobby Joe. Give me 5.
I can't.
All right. Let me get a picture, and then I'll record you dropping them in. Oh, we should have had Mama bring a towel out. All right, here, look. turn him sideways so we can see that tail. Hold. All right, let's get Abby Joe's release here. See you later, Fishy. Thanks for playing, homie. Give me 5.
Oh, shit.
Go get it. Go get that one, Abby Joe. Give me the pliers. Go get that one. Get it, baby girl. Can you pick it up out there?
I got her, I got her, I got her, I got her, I got her.
Get it away from the pliers over there. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that lady fish, y'all. All right, guys, let's get a release on him. Thanks for playing, homie. Catch you next time. Ooh, they tickle. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, big old hardhead, Abby Joe. All right, y'all can pick that one up. That line should be strong enough. All right.
Move over, move over, move over.
Don't touch me, don't.
Turn him sideways so I can see more of him. There we go. All right. Let's get a release here on the big hardhead Abby Joe caught. What do you tell him?
No. Yeah! Ah!
She just yeeted him.
Yeet.
Here. Oh, all right, all right. Yep, up.
Help!
Here,
Help!
take this.
Help me! Help! Help! Can I do it? Let me do it. Let me put it.
Okay, just a second. Let me. It's just another hardhead.
It's gonna be another hardhead, I know it. Look at that guy. Big fatty like me. Let's let him go.
Good timing. You're at 20% on this camera.
Look at that, guys.
Just suck it out
How
of there.
badass is that? Let's let this ladyfish go. Watch, they're gonna dart off. Boom, there it goes. Catch you later, homie. What you got, baby girl?
Come on, real.
Does it just feel like a heavy weight?
Nope, real. Yeah,
Oh, big old hardhead. Look at that, man. Another one. Heck yeah. Those gills. All right. Release him. Let him go, baby girl. Woo, there he goes. Catch you later, homie. fish, little girl.
Can this go underwater?
Got us a little red, Ivy Joe. You caught one last weekend. Don't be mad. You caught one last weekend. It's my turn.
Where's your measuring tape?